Welcome to our Dishwasher Showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular countertop dishwashers, the Midea MDC22P1ABB and the EUHOMY portable dishwasher. Both appliances offer unique features and capabilities, making them suitable for different lifestyles. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to price, the Midea countertop dishwasher is priced at $329 United States dollars, while the EUHOMY model is slightly cheaper at $299 United States dollars. This price difference may influence your decision depending on your budget and the features you prioritize. Both the Midea and EUHOMY dishwashers offer 8 washing programs, including options like speed, baby care, ECO, and glass. This variety allows users to choose the best cycle for their specific dishwashing needs, ensuring optimal cleaning performance. The Midea dishwasher can accommodate up to 6 place settings, making it suitable for small families or individuals. On the other hand, the EUHOMY model features a 5-liter built-in water tank, which is convenient for those who may not have direct access to a water hookup. This feature enhances its portability and usability in various settings. In conclusion, both the Midea and EUHOMY dishwashers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Midea offers a higher capacity, while the EUHOMY is more portable with its built-in water tank. Depending on your specific needs and budget, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.